Hi, welcome to another unboxing of Animation Cells. Today we have a 10-pack of Animation Cells from Captain N, the Game Master. This time I only bought 10 cells. I don't know this particular cartoon show too well. I only saw a couple episodes as a kid. So I just bought 10, but let's take a look at what we got. Certificate of authenticity, shipping. All right. First off, we have the princess. Cool picture of a knight and its sketch. Very neat. Princess again, but no facial features. The cup of tea. I see a pretty nice one coming up. Beside that. I see a nice one coming out. I just want to kind of keep it as a surprise. This is pretty nice. Kid Icarus. That is a nice cell. Be happy to frame that. And this is the one I was talking about, which is pretty dope in my opinion. Captain N, the princess, all in one group shot. That's a nice cell. This one is pretty good too. Okay, another nice shot of Captain N. And finally, another nice shot of the princess. No Wizard Eggplant Wizard or Captain Hippo, but got some decent cells in there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe.